Like father, like son. Isn't that right? Look what you've done.
We feed the seagulls.
Look what you've done. You start an epidemic. Fritos this time, not Doritos. That's what Fred and John's doing. They gave out Fritos, and now you have a boat full of people pulling out Fritos. See, I've got evidence on camera.
We give Fritos out.
Fritos to the children.
And then this
So
is what happens.
the epidemic spreads.
Somebody's gonna get pooped. Somebody will get
I have evidence. Someone will get pooped on. Maybe not now. Maybe not later. Maybe tomorrow. That's the culprit.
What do you want to do?
I want to not flash half the boat.
Here, take these. I'm having too much fun.
This is our doing. This is what happens when you bring Fritos onto the boat.
Rid yourself of the evidence.
Let me see one real quick while I'm recording.
Watch, I'm gonna throw them up a handful in the air. Ready?
And then they will go in the death pit.
Yeah.
Go to the death pit. That's the death pit right there.
Here, try it again. Here we go.
Death pit.
Oh, Lord. Are you recording?
Yeah. Almost.
That's some courage.
Did you get it?
I was kissing the seagull.